All right, low beam. Spotlights. High beam. One we all been waiting for. I got some time, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these lights on and check them out and see how they look, man. I'm excited. Like I said before, they're not original Harley lights, they are aftermarket. So let's get started and see what it looks like and how they work. Alright, here's one thing I don't like already. No directions in the box. I gotta take this off. So that just screws in there. Came with different harnesses for different bikes, I guess. So it came with the harness for the different bikes. This bike, 2004, just plugs right into that plug, so I don't need the harnesses. Just not crazy about how that plug sits there. Can you see the metal? You can actually see the metal. Not crazy about that idea. I'm going to take some of this rubberized electrical tape and just cover that up. This is the type of electrical tape, I forget the name of it, but it's self-sealing. It actually bonds to itself. Just don't want to take a chance on that grounding out somewhere or anything in there, you know? Alright, I feel better now. Alright, let's go ahead and get these started. Wow, that looks nice. All right, to put these in, okay, you're gonna take the old light out of the housing, or the trim. You're gonna use the back ring. So the back ring is gonna go on the back side, okay, and then this is gonna go into the chrome housing. Just like that. Now there is some wiring that has to be done with these. All right, they come with this cable here, which plugs into the light. But you do have to wire these in. So I want to see if I get some connectors. Right, your negative and your positive. So this is your negative because it goes to the housing. And then this is your positive. So positive goes on red, I believe, because there's no instructions. And your negative. Okay, those are the wrong ones. So negative, and we're gonna hook the positive in. Oops, not what I wanted to do. I'll stick it out a little bit. All right, because these are not insulated, I am gonna wrap that up just so I don't run the risk of grounding that out by accident. There you go. Now the negative, you can just leave it open. It's not a big issue. Okay. And we're gonna hook these up. They should go in one way. Careful with the terminals. They're not the best. And be careful putting it back in. I think these will go in both ways. Let's see. This should all technically fit right in there. No issues, maybe. There we go. Wow, it's cool. Now before I button it all up, see if it works. Oh snap! Oh, that is awesome. I can tell it's going to put out a good amount on late. It looks alright. A lot of guys are complaining that these don't fit on well, and I don't know. It seems like it's okay. I'm thinking this wiring is getting in the way. No idea what people were discussing that it seems like it's too tight. Oh, it doesn't fit on right. Trim ring. Definitely the wiring is what's getting in the way. You gotta like just play with it to get it in there, right? Alright, that looks good. Let's tighten her up. Yeah, I don't know what people are talking about. She fits really good. Yeah, I was just concerned because people are saying that on the rings, they don't fit well on the older models with these lights, but mine seems to be on there really nice. It's not going anywhere, that's for sure. Okay. I mean, if you want to, you could shorten this wiring. It doesn't really need to be that long. So I'm going to cut it a little shorter. Alright, let's hook her up. Brown to black. And power to power. Red. I'm just going to wrap this one up. Alright, be careful. You can actually put this back in backwards. So make sure you line up the red with the red. It's a pretty stupid design, but it's the way they did it. Check that light, make sure it works. Wow, that looks so nice. You can really see the difference. Alright, low beam. Spotlight. High beam. What a difference. Low beam, spotlights, high beam. And there you have it. Spotlights are in, headlights in. It was pretty much almost plug and play. All I had to do was wire these in, and all that consisted of was, as you saw, was adding some electrical terminals to the wiring harness that they gave me with the light, and it just plugged in. So I didn't even have to modify the bike's hot wiring harness. This one came with the ring. I got the complete kit. I didn't have to use the adapters they gave me for this bike. This bike was just pretty much plugged right into the back of the LED, the headlight. And with the ring, you made it real simple. You take off the old headlight in the housing, put this one in, put the chrome rings back on, and you're done. Done. I am very impressed with the level of light that I'm getting with these compared to the halogens or whatever they are that I had before, which was nothing but factory stuff, you know, the bulb. I'll put a link to these down at the bottom. Save me a ton of money instead of buying the Daymakers from Harley Davidson. The only thing I'm going to say about these lenses are plastic. Be careful when you're cleaning these. Use a micro fiber cloth or something that's really soft. I wouldn't even use paper towels on these lenses because you're going to scratch them. It doesn't take a lot to scratch a plastic lens. And that's all I got. Very happy with the light output. Let's hope they last a long time. I'm glad I upgraded the lights. I really am. Alright folks, that's all I got. Thank you. Thanks for being subscribers. Thank you for supporting the channel by sharing, subscribing, and liking the videos. I really appreciate that. You know I do. And any questions, any comments, put them down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions I can and, you know, respond to comments as I can. Take care.